Hi everyone, this is Irfan Akbari, and in this video I want to start some of a series of videos about working with Proteus software, and in this video I want to explain how to install it. So let's get started. If you the first of all, if you don't subscribe my channel, I invite you to do a favor and please subscribe my channel and like this video. I will post lots of video like this one, and it's good. It's good for you and me if you subscribe my channel and like this video. So let's get started. I have the folder of installation of Proteus software in here, and I will run it. First of all, I will run the Proteus install file as administrator. In here, it's Microsoft Visual C++. I will install it. I will pause the video if there is a loading for a long time, and after that I will continue recording the video. I will click on next and I accept, next, and next, also next. In here I have a key file in here that I will give it to installation program. I will choose it from here, and for the last step here, and I will click on install, yes, and nothing to do in here. I will click on close, and in here I will click on next. It's the first time that I'm installing Proteus in this Windows, because I have changed my Windows because I bought a SSD for my laptop, and so I will click on typical. Maybe I shouldn't, because I didn't want to install it on C drive, because my SSD storage is not enough to install all the programs in C drive, but that's not an important problem. Okay, I will pause the video, and when it finished I will continue it. Well, I'm here again. I didn't do anything. I was staring at my monitor, and in here we have Proteus 8 Professional has been successfully installed. I will click on close, and I don't run it because I want to do something. I will go to this folder that I can't say the name, and I will copy this file in where in the folder that Proteus was installing. I will right click on Proteus, and after that I will click on open file location. In here we have some files, and I will right click in here and paste the file which I copied. I'll run it as an administrator, and I will put the link that I was download this version of Proteus in the description. You can go and download it. I'm waiting. Nothing happened. I will do it again. Maybe nothing should happen. Okay, I'll run the program. I double click on it, and I wait to program show the window. Yeah, it's here. For testing the program, I'm gonna make a new project in there. Okay, in here we can see that the update subscription expires will be on 2025. That means that we had do all the things in a good way. I will choose a path for the project that I want to make it. It will temporal. Oh no. I have a deleted folder already in here. I'll select the folder, the name for my project. For example, FE Akbari. And I click on next, and finish. You can see that everything is okay, and the program is going in a really good way. All the libraries were installed. You can see in here. What I did was clicking on this icon that means component mode, or pressing P key on the keyboard. After that, I will click on the screen and empty a space of a screen. For example, in here. No, what happened? Oh, excuse me. I will click on this icon, and after that I will click on this P in here, or press P on keyboard. And after that, for example, I will type res or resistor, and I can see all the components with res in their name in here. That means that the program has installed all the libraries for you in a good way. Thank you for seeing this video. If you don't like it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next videos. Goodbye and have a good time and be happy.